Welcome back, everybody. Brian Peacock, Epic Outdoor Adventures. Tomatoes. Why is the tomato splitting like this? I hear a lot of people asking this time of year after big storms and heavy rains. What happens is that the tomato plant gets so much water and it takes in so much water too fast that the skin of the tomato cannot handle the expansion and the growth so fast. So what does it do? It busts and ruptures like a water balloon. Nothing wrong with the tomato, especially if they're red already or close to red. You can take them in the house and just eat them like they are. This one here is just blushing. So I'll remove this. I usually remove my tomatoes when they blush anyway. Stick it in the house. This tomato will still be good unless it starts growing some kind of mold or fungus on it. So if you take it in the house in the AC and you keep your humidity down below 70 RH, you should be fine. Nothing wrong with that tomato. Just had a little too much water to drink and popped. Thanks for watching, guys.